of our lecture today is about the amortization of loan, or in bahasa we call it as pelupusan pinjaman. How banks calculate, how bank decide our monthly payment, how bank decide the amount of interest that you need to pay every month. Okay, basically, when uh, 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 when a borrower obtain a loan from a bank or from the financial institution, the borrower we need to pay back to repay the loan at the fixed rate of payment every month. In other words, every month we need to pay at the fixed amount of money to the bank for the certain period. The the repayment of this loan consists of two components. Basically, the amount of money that you pay to the bank every month. There are two components. Uh, there is the interest compound. There is the interest component of the outstanding loan, and the partial payment of the principal. Okay, this loan is amortized. We say that this a loan is amortized when a part of the loan repayment is used to pay interest, and the remaining part is used to reduce the outstanding balance. So basically, let's say you pay 1,100 ringgit per month. You pay back to the bank when you for your housing loan, for your car loan. Okay. Some of this amount, this 100 will divide into the two component. First for principal, for principal. The second one is for interest. That's that's the first one is principal. The second one is interest. Interest is also referred to the profit for the bank, income for the bank. Okay, but the question is how bank decide what is how big the amount of principal and how much the amount of interest. How many percent? Maybe 50-50, 60-30 from the every 100 ringgit. And then basically in Malaysia, especially in Malaysia, this amount, the amount will be decide the amount of the repayment, how much money you need to pay back to the bank every month. Okay, how bank decide this amount? Normally, bank apply the concept of present value of the annuity that we have learned before. As you can see in figure this formula 3.2, bank will apply this formula. This formula will be is used by a bank to determine the number of the amount of money that you need to pay back to the bank. So, but in this case, the A is the loan amount. The A in this case is a loan amount because the loan amount you receive at today. That's why the loan is also considered as the present value of annuity. But you need to pay back to the bank in the future. But every month, in total, in the future, there is a certain amount that you need to pay back to bank. Principal, you need to pay back to the bank principal plus the interest. And then the loan is A, but the R is the monthly repayment. That's we call it the repayment, the repayment amount. Bank will apply this formula. In other words, this formula is applied by bank to calculate the monthly repayment, and from that amount, bank will decide which part is for interest and principal. Okay, that formula 3.2 is modified into the formula 3.3. Okay, and then the rest is the additional formula that I just show with you. There is another example that apply this formula, but for this class, the formula 3.3 is very important. We will focus on formula 3.3, but at the same time, you need also to understand the formula of 3.4, 3.5, and 3.6, and also formula 3.7. Formula 3.4 is about the principal outstanding at the beginning of the key time period. And then the interest in the key payment, how much interest you pay at the payment number 6, number 10, and so on. And then also the principal in the case payment, and also the last one is a formula that used to calculate the amount of your interest that you pay over the loan over the loan term. Okay, I will show you. I will explain to you how bank decide how to apply this formula. Okay, for example, let's say for example, there is a few example here. Example 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, and 3.8. But for today, I will focus on for example 3.5 and uh, example 3.7. Example 3.5 and example 3.7. Okay, let's say, please look into please refer to example 3.5. Let's say suppose a bank lend a borrower a loan of 1,500. Borrower 1,500, let's say. And then the borrower must make repayment of the loan at the end of each month for 3 months. For 3 months. This loan is valid only for 3 months. Okay, the loan nominal interest rate, the interest rate of the loan is 12% per year, 12% per year, 12% per year compounded monthly, or compounded per month, or compounded monthly. That's the amount of the question that related to the loan amount. Let's say you borrow from a bank 1,500, and then you need to pay back to the bank for 3 months. Every month, at the end of first month, second month, and third month, you need to pay back to the bank. Anda meminjam sebanyak 1,500, dan kemudian anda perlu bayar balik selama 3 bulan. Setiap bulan setiap bulan pembayaran mesti dilakukan pada setiap bulan. The interest rate for the loan, kadar faedah yang dikenakan ialah 12% per annum, 12% setahun, compounded per month, dikira setiap bulan. Okay, the question now. The first question is calculate the monthly repayment of the loan. Monthly repayment of the loan. Okay, how to calculate the monthly repayment of the loan? Okay, please refer to example 3.5. I will show you the calculation. Let's say okay, the loan, total loan. Let's say total loan, you receive loan, you get loan from a bank. The total loan is total loan 5,000, 1,500. Let's see that is the total loan 1,500. 1,500. Okay, and then the loan period is only for 3 months. The loan term is only 3 months. Total loan is 1,500, and then you have the interest rate. The nominal interest rate is 12%, 12%, or 0.12 compounded annually. So that means M equal 12. Every month being calculated the loan amount. So in this case, the total loan is A. This is A. This total loan is also known. There is a A. The amount of A in the formula. This total loan is known as a A. Okay, what is the first question? A asks you calculate the monthly repayment of the loan. Monthly repayment. Okay, what is the formula? Okay, please refer to formula 3.3. The monthly repayment is R equal to A 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided by I. That's one. What is I? I equal to R over M and N equal to MT. Okay, in this case, A equal to 1,500 is a total loan. 1 minus 1 plus what is I? 0.12 divide by 12 because M equal to, and all of them are divided by I, 0.12 divided by 12. Okay, to the power of, since the loan is only for 3 months, the loan is only for 3 months, so the interest rate is calculated 3 times only. So there is negative 3. Okay, so the answer is, there is the monthly repayment R equal to 510 ringgit and 3 cents. That is the amount of monthly repayment you need to pay back to the bank every month, from the first to the third month. Okay, that's the answer for the monthly repayment. For every month, you need to pay back for you need to pay the amount of 510 ringgit. Okay, B, form a loan amortization schedule, a loan table or loan amortization schedule. That's the question. What is it? As you can see, in page 6, there is the answer. The loan table, the loan amortization table, jadual perluasan pinjaman. In bahasa, we call it as a jadual perluasan pinjaman or loan amortization schedule. In this table, this table show the of course the time period, first month, second month, and third month. The principal amount outstanding at the beginning of the period, at the beginning of first month, second month, and third month, and the interest rate for each period. Okay, now we for this table, we know what interest rate, what is how much in the interest that you pay for every month, and also the payment for of the end of the period, that the fixed amount, and also the principal that you paid for every time, for every month. I will show you how to calculate, how to construct this table. Let's say we start from we have a month, the first month, second month, and third month, and first month, and then the outstanding principal, outstanding principal, outstanding principal. Okay, there is a first month, second month, third month. Okay, okay, and then for the first month, the outstanding principal, of course, 1,500 at the beginning of first month, because for the first month you just receive the loan. Okay, let's say the interest rate. Okay, now we have the interest rate for each month. The interest rate. Okay, there is the interest rate is 0.12, 12% per year, compounded monthly, times divide by 12, that is 0.01. That is the amount of interest. Every month, 0.01%, 0.01 or 1% is charged to your outstanding principal. The nominal interest rate is 12%, but the interest rate is calculated monthly. Every time the bank calculate the interest, the 1% is charged, because 12% with compounded monthly, there is equal to 0.12 divided by 12. So for the first month, 0.1%, 0.01, 1% times 1,500. Okay, this is equal to $50, 50 ringgit, equal to 50 ringgit. So for the first month, 50 ringgit is the interest that charged by the bank. And then the payment, you need to make the payment every month. Oops. Let's say the payment that you need to every month, the amount of money that you need to pay back to the bank is fixed, 510 ringgit and 3 cents. Same to the second month and third month. This number is come from the answer number A. We just calculate later before. The monthly payment is 510. 510 ringgit and 3 cents. You need to pay every month for 3 months. And then for the first, the principal prepaid. Okay, principal prepaid. We call it as principal yang dibayar balik, dibayar semula. That's the amount for principal. Okay. This principal. Principal we paid. And then, okay, let's say for the first month, okay, the outstanding balance is 1,500. The interest rate is 1%, 50 ringgit. For the first month, you pay the monthly payment is 510. So actually from 510 ringgit, 50 ringgit is for interest. So this payment, the principal we paid is 510 and 510 and 3 cents minus 50. Minus 50. This equal to fund. This equal to 495.03. That's the actually the amount of money, the amount that you pay for principal. In other words, in this case, this table show that from the total repayment 510, $50, 50 ringgit is for profit. But in other words, for that particular month, at the first month, you only pay your loan. You only pay your principal. The total amount of principal that you pay in the first month is $495.03. Then at the for the month number 2, on second month, the outstanding principal, okay, the outstanding principal is equal to 1,500 minus the principal that you paid last month, the principal that you paid first month, the first on the first month. So this is equal to 495.03. So the amount of principal, outstanding principal is 1,004 ringgit and 97. Okay, that's the actual outstanding principal, because during the first month, the amount of principal that you pay for the first month is only 495 ringgit, because the 50 ringgit is for bank interest. It's a profit for bank. Okay, now during the at the end of month number 2, second month, again bank will charge you interest 0.01. Okay, this amount is equal to if you see in the table, 10 ringgit and 5 cents. 10 ringgit and 5 cents. That the amount of interest. The first month is 50 ringgit. The second month is 10 ringgit and 50 cents. That is the amount of interest. Again, at the end of month 2, the end of month number 2, at the end of the second month, you need to pay back to bank 510 ringgit and 3 cents. Okay, from this amount, bank will deduct 10 ringgit and 5 cents for interest, and then the total principal you paid is only 499 and 98 cents. That's how bank calculate the how bank divide the amount that you pay, how bank calculate the interest and the principal. Okay, again, at the beginning of month 3, the outstanding principal, the outstanding loan is the previous one is 1,479 minus the principal that you pay for the second month is 499.98. So this the outstanding balance is 504.99, and that's for the third month. For the third month, month number 3. Again, for this month, bank will charge you 0.01%. Okay, this amount equal to 5 ringgit and 5 cent. Then at the end of month number 3, you need to pay back to the bank 510 ringgit. Okay, 510 ringgit minus 5 ringgit 50 cent. Okay, the amount of principal you pay is 504.99. Okay, this amount. So at after you paid 504 ringgit and 99 cent. Okay, your outstanding balance at the beginning of month number 4, your outstanding balance equal 0. That's how bank calculate your monthly repayment and the interest. And then the total interest you paid is the amount $50 plus uh, 10.05 plus 5.05. That is a total interest. Or in other words, you can also calculate the total interest like this. Total interest is equal to, it's based to the formula, is also equal N times R minus A. What is N? N is number of loan period. In the case, this equal N equal 3 times 500, the number of monthly, the amount of monthly repayment, 510 and 03, and minus your total loan, minus the total loan. Okay, the answer is 30 ringgit and 9 cent. There is a total interest that you need to pay for the loan. Okay, that's how to answer example 3 point, example 3 point, example which one? This annuity. Example 3.5. In example 3.5, okay, now this example show you how to calculate the monthly payment loan, how to form how to construct a loan amortization schedule, and how to calculate the interest that should be paid for the loan during the 3 months. Okay, the last one for today, I will show you. Okay, that is example 3.7. Example 3.7. I hope you will try to answer the other example 3.6 and 3.8. Okay, for example 3.7, let's say Ali bought a car with a down payment of 4,000. The remaining price of the car was paid to a loan for a bank. In other words, Ali take a loan for the bank to buy a car. The loan require Ali to make a loan repayment of 4,400 per month after 36 months. The loan interest rate is 12% compounded per month. Okay, now the question is, what is the original price of the car? What is the original price of the car? Estimate the amount of interest for the loan. Estimate the amount of interest for the loan. Okay, in this case, let's say, of course, Ali want to buy a car, but Ali pay the down payment of 4,000. What is the down payment? Down payment is, in other words, there is an amount that you pay cash to the seller, to the car seller, let's say, and then the balance of the price was paid by a loan from a bank. So in this case, Ali, the down payment is 400. Okay, the loan require Ali. Okay, the loan asks Ali uh, after every month, the loan require Ali to make a loan repayment every month, RM 400 per month, every month for 36 months. The loan interest rate is 12% compounded per month. Okay, what is the original price of the car? When we're talking about the original price of the car, in other words, we must there is the loan amount plus the deposit. The loan amount plus the deposit. That's this loan plus deposit is equal to the price of the car. But for the loan, uh, 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 what can I say? Uh, uh, in this case, Ali pay the down payment of 4,000 ringgit, and then the rest, the remaining of the price of the remaining price of the car was paid uh, by taking a loan from a bank. So the question will ask you to find what is the price of the car. Remember, the price is equal to loan plus deposit. What is deposit? Deposit is 4,000. Now we need to find what is loan. Okay, we have a few information here. The loan repayment is 4,000. The loan repayment is 4,000 for 36 months, and the interest rate is 12 compounded monthly. Okay, let's see how to answer this question. Please refer to example 3.3.7. Let's see example 3.7. Deposit is equal to deposit or down payment. Down payment RM 4,000. And then monthly repayment for the loan. Monthly repayment equal to RM 400. Monthly repayment is equal to RM 400. And then the loan period, the loan term, Ali need to pay back to the bank 400 per month for 36 months. So N equal to 36. 36 months is equal to what we call it, equal to, it's almost 3 years, right? 3 years, or N equal to 36 months. The interest rate is 12% compounded monthly. So this is M equal to 12. M equal to 12. So what is the original price? The original price, again, price of the car equal to down payment plus loan, plus total loan, So the down payment is 4,000. So what is the total loan? The total loan is A. In the formula, the total loan is A. Okay, now you can refer to formula 3.2. Formula A, the future value of the present value of anything. This equal to present value of anything. Present value of anything. Okay, the formula is actually come from the present value of anything. That is A equal to R 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus I to the power of negative N divided by I. You can please refer to formula 3.2 in the page. That's how to answer this question. In formula 3, I, yes, I. Okay, where I equal to R over M. So in this case, what is R? R is monthly repayment. R is 400. There's R. Monthly repayment is 400 divided by 1 plus I. I is 0.12 divided by 12. 0.01 to the power of negative n. N is 36 divided by I. Again, 0.12 divided by 12. You just use your calculator. Of course, you need your, please use your scientific calculator to get the answer. So A equal to, say there is not R, I over M. I over M. Okay. The answer is, if I'm not mistaken, it is 12,042 ringgit. That is the answer. The loan, the total loan that Ali apply, that Ali receive for a bank. That's amount of A. But the question asks you about the price. So the price of the car equal to the down payment 4,000 plus total loan 12,043. The total, the original price of the car is 60,043 ringgit. That is the answer for the price of the car. Okay. B, estimate the amount of interest. Amount of interest. Amount of interest for the loan. Amount of interest is equal to the n number of month, number of the loan term, number of how many months, how long, how many years you need to pay back to the bank, or in term in this case it is equal to 12, and monthly repayment uh, times A total, time A total loan. So in this case, A equal to A equal to N is 36 month times R. Every month you need to pay 400 ringgit for 36 months minus A. Total loan is 12,000. This is a total loan. So this is a total loan 12043. So the total interest that you need to pay, the total amount of interest for the loan, or you need to pay, the total interest that charged by a bank to this loan is 36 times 400 minus 12,043 total loan. So the answer is 2357. That is the total interest charged by the bank. The amount of interest you need to pay in order to settle this loan. Of course, in the long run, you also need to pay the interest and the principal. That's how to find the answer for this case. Okay, that's for example 3 point. For example 3.7. Okay. Any questions so far?
No question, doctor.
Okay, I think okay, the other example, I hope you can try to answer, or to uh try to answer all the example in example 3.6 and 3.8, and also try to answer all the question that in the exercise, especially for these two topic, topic 2 and topic 3, that related to the financial mathematics. That is the second topic is related to the compound interest and nominal interest, compound interest and simple interest. And the third topic is about the annuity, that is related to the future value of annuity, present value of annuity, and also the amortization of loan. Okay, uh, I think that's all for this topic number 3. Okay, that's good. We managed to finish this topic number 3. And then for the next week, uh, we're going to have a class as usual. And then in the next topic, we will discuss about the topic number 4 is about the algebra method, one of the topic that will be included in our mid exam. So for mid exam, that our mid exam will cover topic 1, function, topic 2, uh, simple and compound interest. Topic 3 for today's is about annuity, and then the next topic is topic number 4. I think okay, that's all for today. Any question before we dismiss, before I end this class?
No question, doctor.
Okay, you have no question. I think uh, uh, we can stop here. Okay, thank you for your attention. Okay, see you for attendance again. No need to scan any QR code. Your attendance is recorded automatically by Teams. And then I hope you wait until I end this meeting, and your attendance will be recorded automatically. Okay, that's all for today. Assalamualaikum and selamat petang. See you next week.
Thank you, doctor. See you.
See you.